close as well. Like. Hello and welcome everyone to this ITQ live reports in KubeCon in Paris. I'm joined today by the lead consultant architect at SUSE, William Rizzo, friend of mine as well from KCD in Netherlands organization. How are you doing today, William?
I'm doing great, thanks Carlos.
Yes. Are you enjoying KubeCon so far?
I do, I am. I'm having a lot of conversations, meeting a lot of new people, and yeah, it's a great experience so far.
Nice. You were also in a panel the other day.
I was, Platform Engineering Day, yes. The last panel of the day, we had a lot of great feedback. I was joined by Aparna from Shopify, by Abby from Cratix, Courtney from KubeShop, and Areti from SAP.
Yeah, nice.
Great minds. I felt a little bit overwhelmed, but we had a great feedback.
Nice, that's really awesome to hear. So you work at SUSE. Can you tell us a little bit, just in general, like what is SUSE doing in the Kubernetes space?
Well, we are the home of Rancher. We are the home of K3S, RK2, and Longhorn, KubeBoard, and we have several CNCF or non-CNCF projects. We are expanding. We are trying to enable the platform engineering with Rancher offerings and Rancher product or projects.
Yeah.
Yes, this is what we're doing at the moment.
That's awesome. And can you tell a little bit how customers are using Rancher? What does Rancher do for you as a platform?
Right. So Rancher is a multi-cluster, multi-cloud manager. So what we see at the moment is from just managing Kubernetes clusters, we see an intake into getting Rancher as a building block or a core block for platforms, which is quite interesting. We see the platforms as as an empathy-driven, socio-technical exercise within organizations, and we love to see Rancher in the middle of it and being enhanced and customized heavily with extensions to enable outcomes that the customer is looking for. So
that's awesome.
Fantastic.
But not only Rancher, right? So you're also involved in edge technologies.
Absolutely.
Right. So what can you tell us about that?
There is a lot boiling. We have an adaptable, what we call ATIP. We iterated the 3.0 version, and it's the adaptable telco infrastructure platform.
Okay.
So it's specifically is a edge platform design, modular edge platform design specifically for telco use cases or for telco organizations. We are developing new new capabilities within this modular platform to enable disconnected edge or satellite-like edge. So very extreme use cases. It's very interesting.
And I don't know, could you perhaps put a little examples for our viewers to maybe understand a little bit this kind of like edge use cases?
There is one that I'm particularly fond of at the moment, and it's the Edge Image Builder. So we can programmatically define through a set of YAMLs how our edge will look like. So that I can prepare offsite an ISO. And that ISO will be encompassing all the manifests, RPMs, packages, operating system definitions that I need, the configuration, and I will just put it in an ISO. I will install offline without network that edge device on site, and everything will be already in the ISO. I can build the cluster from that ISO without downloading any packages, which means that we also have a registry within the ISO that is purposely built by us, Holler, and I'm quite proud of it. That will be providing the images for the cluster that is standing up. It's quite amazing.
Extreme automation.
Extreme automation.
It's just the way I like it.
Yes.
But you're not only really just advocating for SUSE, you're a big, extremely community-oriented person. So as I said, we know each other from KCD Netherlands, but you're also CNCF Ambassador, right?
Yes.
So can you tell us how did that come to be and what kind of activities you're doing?
Yes, absolutely. So I was already involved in open source community commitments, or contributing, like what we say. Then I started also organizing the KCD Netherlands, KCD Amsterdam, KCD Utrecht. I have applied as a CNCF ambassador. There are specific requirements to apply, and I've been awarded as an ambassador. But the ambassadorship is not an award. It's not a recognition also per se, like many think, but it's just an expectation that you are going to help the CNCF to fix the statement that the mission statement that they have, which is make cloud native ubiquitous. So they have a problem. You need to help them, and that's the ambassador's job. There is a blog from Kesslin Fields which describes exactly what an ambassador is supposed to be doing, and I recommend to see that one.
Yeah, well, I think you're doing a fantastic job at it, if you allow me to say.
Thank you.
Well, I want to thank you for being here and talking a little bit to our audience. And I want to help everyone who joined this conversation in KubeCon in Paris. So, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.